Hi, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to use the LOOkX Cleansing Mousse Iron Face Cleanser. This cleansing mousse is a mild and caring, soothing cleansing mousse suitable for removing makeup, deep cleansing, and has a soft polishing effect. Shea butter and vitamin E ensure a caring, repairing, and anti-aging effect. After use, the skin feels soft and cleansed. Apply the LOOkX Cleansing Mousse Iron Face evenly over the face, neck, and décolleté. Remove with lukewarm water. Follow up with the LOOkX Refresh lotion to intensify the cleansing effect and improve the absorption of your skin. The LOOkX Cleansing Mousse Iron Face is suitable for all skin types, but especially for dry and sensitive skin. Don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.